Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. Today we are going to discuss basic Excel text functions, concatenate, concat and TextJoin. All these three functions are used to combine or join strings. Let's try it out in Excel to find which functions to use where and what is the difference between these functions. Let's try the concatenate function first. To join or combine text using concatenate function, we have to select the cells one by one. We cannot select the entire range of cells at once, and we have to select the cells using comma separator, then second cell, then comma, then third cell, and so on. Then close the bracket and press enter. If there are multiple cells to join, then it will be very difficult and time consuming using concatenate function. Let's try the concat function. To combine or to join cells using concat function, we can select the entire range of cells at once. We don't have to select one by one and type comma then and all. So to join using concat function, close the bracket and type enter. Here you go. Let's combine this first name, middle name and last name using a delimiter in concat function. Equal, then concat, then select first cell, then comma, then delimiter. Put the delimiter in double quote. Here I am using hyphen, then middle name, then comma, then delimiter. Here I am using hyphen, put the delimiter in double quote, then last name, then close the bracket. If there will be multiple cells to combine using delimiter, then using concat function it will be difficult and time consuming. Now let's try the TextJoin function. The first parameter that it is asking for is delimiter. Let's use delimiter hyphen, put the delimiter in double quote. The second parameter is ignore empty. It has two values. One is true, ignore empty cells, and second one is false, include empty cells. Let's try ignore empty cells first. Then the range of cells that we want to combine. Let's combine all the middle name. Then close the parenthesis, then enter. You can see here all the middle names are combined using delimiter, that is hyphen. Okay, the delimiter is hyphen. Then let's try the include empty cells option. Then combine all the middle names and close the bracket. Here you can see there are multiple hyphens or delimiters are there because it has considered the empty spaces as well. So if there are only 2 or 3 text to join, we can use concatenate function. If there are multiple cells to join without using delimiter, we can use concat function. And if there are multiple cells to join using delimiter, then we can use TextJoin function. That's all for today. Thank you.